And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create this interconnected logo design in Adobe Illustrator. Let's make sure first that we've got our smart guides and snap to point under view activated. I've got a black fill color and no stroke for now. And we'll start with the rectangle tool. Drag a random rectangle, hold Alt, drag a copy out of it with the selection tool V. Then press Ctrl C and Ctrl F to place a copy in front, and we will rotate that -15 and the one in behind +15. Now we'll hold Ctrl and we'll put the top one just like this, so that we've got the anchor points connected. We want to make it straight at the bottom, so we need a horizontal line. Just go to the anchor point, hold Shift, drag it to the right. Let me make that black so that you can see it. Select it all. We can use the shape builder tool. Hold Alt and you can get rid of this bottom part. Now select the line, press the delete key. That's what we want to have for the left hand side. Select it both, hold Alt and drag a copy out of it, hold Shift while you do so. And now right click, transform and reflect it. Make sure that you reflect it vertically, click on OK. Hold Ctrl again and then drag, while holding Shift, the right form on the path of the left form, just like this. If you hold Shift, it's perfectly in line. Now press A for the direct selection tool, hold Shift when you click on these two anchor points and drag it upwards. Make sure that you're still in line with the form. Repeat the process for the one in behind, so Shift click on the two anchor points and then drag it upwards. Once again, select it all, use the shape builder to hold Alt and get rid of the two overlaps. That's fine. We need our basic shape again, so I use V, the selection tool, hold Alt and drag a copy out of it. I position it to the center. And again, I press Ctrl C, Ctrl F. That way I've got two of these. Let me show you this. Here's the second one. I press Ctrl Z. Now I press A for the direct selection tool and I shift click on the top anchor points. And I drag this one onto this anchor point on the right hand side. I repeat the process for the one in behind and I drag it to the left. I need the shape builder tool again. And I hold Alt to get rid of these two shapes on the right and left. That should be it. Let us select the first one. I give it this purple color. And I need to bring it to the front, so right click, arrange and bring to front. Next shape and next color, a lighter purple. The position is fine. The fourth shape up here, I once again need to arrange it, so right click, arrange, bring to front. I need to bring this one to the front as well. And I've got a final shape up here, and that is already correctly arranged. But I need to readjust the one on the right hand side up here. So I use the direct selection to A, shift click on the two anchor points, drag it downwards, select it all and use the shape builder tool again. Hold Alt, get rid of it. And that's it. This is how you can create this interconnected logo design in Adobe Illustrator. It works well for companies with an M, A, W, A, V in the name. Try it out for yourself. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.